Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So we came across these in Iceland, so I thought, why don't we not make them Rudolph, but make them more for the season, like New Year macaroons. So let's get on. So we have this, so let's open up the box and see what we have. So here's how it is. We have our macarons, of course, and we have these twiglet things, and they're for the noses and stuff. We'll see what we can to make it into New Year's. So I am here with my sister, who does not wish to share her voice. So this is her plate. We're going to see whose is going to look better, basically. So yeah, here's our macarons, and we're going to get right in. Finished ages ago. So there, this is my first one. It looks pretty nice. Here's from the side view. I decided to go off to make it more like New Year's and less Christmassy. So here's how it looks. So my first one, I did try to do the reindeer, you know, just so I can have that one, just so that will go back to the box. Here we go. I smashed a bit of the corner of the macaron, and it doesn't look exactly very pretty on the back, but that's okay. And here's this one of my favorites, as well as the other one, because it looks very interesting and original. So yeah, and my sister's getting on with it too. Already seen mine, so here's mine. Going to pick it up, and there you go, that's my first one, side back. My first one, which is a complete fail, this one, back. And this one, one of my faves, here we go. So here's my sister's one. This is a reindeer, that looks great, you know. I like the eyes though. Next one. And quickly, must be this up. There's that one that I squished in the other reindeer antler. So it's supposed to look like this, but I squished it so it looks funny and weird. Next one. We have this, and it's supposed to be a bear, but you know, stuff happens and it looks a bit weird too. So yeah, you guys get to choose which one's better. Do you prefer my ones or my sister's one? Well, thanks for watching. Bye.
Please like and subscribe. Also click the notification button so you can be notified when my latest videos come out. Thanks.